Everybody thinks that yoga comes from India, but today we're learning from Spider-Man. Okay, Zaccy, here we have Spider-Man in Warrior 2. Now, what we're struggling with his foot position, and do you see how far his hip turns? Yeah. With great power comes great hip mobility.
Did you just say that?
The point I'm trying to make here with the Warrior 2 position is I can't turn Spider-Man's hip anymore without kind of breaking his leg. Oh. Okay, so now we're going to try and get Batman into Warrior 2. I mean, look at this movement that Batman's got. Wow, it's like Mummy's hip. Okay, let's... Uh-oh.
Oh my... Both of his legs flip up.
So this is what happens when you... Well, this is an extreme example of what happens when you force your body into a pose it's not really meant for. What we should have done really, Zaccy, is we should have just put Batman into a position which best suited his body rather than forcing him into what we think is the perfect aesthetic.
My God. This is kind of like Granddad's leg.
So in Warrior 2, there is absolutely no universal right or wrong foot position. The wrong way is doing it in a way you feel you should rather than trusting your own instincts. No teacher should make you feel wrong for moving like you do. If they do, then, well, that says more about their ego than your body. Zaccy, maybe that's the real lesson we can learn from Spider-Man. And that's don't get caught in someone else's web.
This guy and his bad jokes. What an ending.